Here we are, something a little bit different today. I'm just grabbing the camera and I'm going out for a walk. Oh yeah, so I do something different. Grab the camera, no other kit. Let's go take some photos. There's a lot of people around considering it's supposed to be locked down. Well, I can't say anything because I'm out, ain't I really? Watching me. So it's quite difficult to do actually because there's all these shots around. I need a tripod. But it's good practice doing it handheld. It's quite a nice day actually. I'm rather enjoying this. Tell you what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to see if we can get a nice wide angle shot using the S20. Yep, there we are guys, I'm back home. Yep, and really enjoyed that one. I hadn't planned on anything today. It was literally just going to be a spontaneous thing of where I'm going and what's about. So it was basically just a basically it was just a walk and just take a few shots. I didn't take any unnecessary equipment. I didn't really want to carry anything around me, so just it basically was just the camera and my mobile phone, and that was literally it. So yeah, I enjoyed it. It's nice, and I think I got some real nice shots in there. So yeah, sometimes it's nice to be a bit spontaneous. Just go out, nothing in your mind of what you want to do. Just go out and just, oh, that's nice, and photograph it. And it's, I actually really enjoy doing that. It's yeah, it's really good. So anyway, Don't forget, if you do like these guys, leave us a thumbs up, and don't forget, subscribe, share, and I'll see you again in the next one. See you soon.